of the oath.
Minute silence.
Mr. Mandela?
For peace, for love among South Africans should be mowed down by those who fear democracy.
Peace, democracy and love amongst South Africans are fine words in English, but the Xhosa words of the just sung song just don't tally. How does one who speaks Xhosa and English explain away the contradiction between what the people sing from the very depth of their hearts in Xhosa and what is declared or volunteered in English?